thing. Most of them are in person in Kansas. Most of them are in person in the state of Kansas. And what do we say? Kansas is a deed auction, right? Whoever pays the highest amount of money will win. Get a premium, right? Now that's a state to really look into. You want some good deals, go there in person. That's competition. You're going to know when the auction happens. You get some good deals there for the state of Kansas for that. All right.
What is Hawaii?
Hawaii's a lien auction. So Hawaii, lien redeemable deed. Hawaii HI is a 1 year